I'm excited and I'm very blessed to be able to be speaking in your podcast today because this is my legacy. My legacy is teaching and inspiring people that they can live a fulfilled life, that they can have everything that they wish for because by having that faith in them and God, God is going to give you all the desires of your heart, right? And this podcast is going to be played on for generations and regenerations, and someone is going to listen to this, and the ones that are going to listen might impact their life. Someone might say, this guy is crazy. Another would try to want to be guru and keep moving. But when you talk about this, when you're talking about, do I have a succession plan? Yes, I've been very fortunate enough to actually exit 2 companies, and I love being a father of businesses, meaning that I love creating something from the ground up, making it grow big, and then selling them. And if you don't have an exit plan, you're working for the wrong reasons, because every business should get to the point that you should sell it, because the moment that you sell a business, you're buying your time back. And every time that I sold my business, I was very fortunate enough to retire for the second time in my life when I was 35 years old. That's the second time that I retired in my life. And of course, I'm still working because I love doing what I do, like I mentioned a minute ago. My transportation company, I do have an exit strategy. I should be exiting that company by the end of this year, middle of next year. So every business that I set up, it's always with that intent that I'm going to exit that business, that is taking it to a certain level and then